Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to set up alarm on Sandberg Survivor Lantern. So first, go into settings by clicking and holding the gear button. Now select System, Alarm. Again click OK and set the alarm. Now click OK for minutes, duration of it ringing, so 60 seconds, source beep, okay, and how often, so I'll say once, date, okay, and okay, invalidate, oh, because I can't, alarm loudness, and okay. Now go to alarms, set up one. Oh, no. Okay, alarm. And can I see? Oh, okay, that's it. I can't see my alarms. So that's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.